Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So I'm back looking like this. Today we're doing another transformation, but it's going to be a spooky transformation. So I'm about to go dye my hair again, just re-dyeing it dark brown, covering up the blonde because I'm tired of it. So I'm just going to go back to this like dark brown that I've had before. I'm also going to be putting together a cute outfit that's perfect for fall and October. And we're going to be doing an eye look, which hopefully turns out really well. It's going to be like orange and black, and got a couple lipsticks to try out that are kind of weird colors. So if you guys are interested in watching a spooky transformation, then just keep watching this video. Is this crooked? Does this look like it's like going up at an angle? Because it's driving me insane. I think it's crooked and I can't fix it. Alright, so the hair dye is on now. Now I'm just going to wait for it to dye my hair and then wash it out, and we'll be back to do some makeup. I'm super excited to be back to like the dark brown hair. I love a good dark brown hair vibe, and especially for like fall and winter, I'm very excited to just have this hairstyle back. Also, I'm sticking with the middle part. I tried to fix it a little bit. Alright, so my hair is done, and obviously it's very dark right now, but like it will lighten up as a few washes, and it's also wet right now. But yeah, my hair's done. My eyebrows are on, and I'm getting ready to start the eyeshadow look. So I am using the Morphe James Charles palette. I try not to use this palette anymore for very obvious reasons. If you're familiar with you know who. I try not to use this palette very much, but it is a rainbow palette, and it does have the colors that I need today, because I need an orange, I need a black, I need a white, and I need them to be very pigmented. So this does have all of the colors I need, so I am going to be using it. I'm sorry. So the colors that I'm using today are Spooky, which is the black, Code James, which is this like medium like burnt orange color, 518, that one, and then Flashback, which is the white. So those are the shades I'm using today. First, going into the black, and I have already prepped my eyes using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Concealer. So I'm just taking the black straight through my crease, and I'm patting it, but also blending it a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Now taking Code James, which is the like medium burnt orange, and we're gonna blend out the black. Now going back into the brush that I had the black with, I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna go back into that deep orange again. And just see if I can get it to like really blend out the black, because right now I feel like it's just going on top of it. It's not really blending like I wanted it to. Now taking 518, which is the like bright orange, and I'm just gonna blend that on top of the other orange to try and brighten it up a little bit. These colors are definitely not my vibe, but it's fine. So now before we cut the crease, I need to go grab my micellar water, and I'm going to like carve out where I want the crease to go with my micellar water. That way it's more clean, and so I can get a nice bright color. Okay, now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go in with white first. And I'm gonna put the white on the very inner corner. So I know I'm very pale, but I don't feel like this is showing up white, so I'm actually gonna take To Be Fair from the Soph palette that I'm holding right now, because I don't feel like the one in the Morphe palette is actually like, yeah, it's just not coming out white. Then I'm taking 518, which is the bright orange, and I'll be packing that in the center here. Taking the white again and just trying to sort of blend those in together. The blending process takes a little while. A lot of like packing the eyeshadow on and then blending it and then packing it on again. Just like a lot of back and forth on blending. Now taking the black, I'm just going to put that right out here on the outer corner. Not touching it to the orange because I don't want to do that. Then I'm taking Code James. And then I'm just going to mix those in together with that, which this is just kind of messy actually. Obviously I'm going to have to go back over the black again when I'm done, which is fine. I just wasn't expecting that color to kind of like flick into the black as much as it did. Back into 518, that like bright orange. I'm gonna go back over that and bring it into the white a little bit more. We just want to have a really nice blend, which is something that I'm practicing. Then taking my Q-tip with micellar water on it, and I'm just going to clean this up. This is a trick I only like recently learned about, like how much better the eyeshadow looks if you actually like clean up the outer part of it. Alright, so that is the eye look. How cute and spooky does that look? I'm gonna go do that on the other eye and finish up the rest of my face makeup, and then I will be back to finish up the eye look and add the lipstick. So the eyes are almost done. I just want to do the bottom lash real quick before I put on mascara and lashes. And yeah, we're almost done. Going back into Code James, I'm gonna run that all along my lower lash line with this little pencil brush. Now taking like my favorite tiny little smudge brush, and I'm going back into Spooky, and I'm going to run that right along my lash line. But I'm only going about halfway in with it. Taking Code James again to just blend that in a little bit more. Then taking 518, which is the bright orange, and I'm going to run that mostly in the front, but then also sort of blend out the black with that too. Okay, so I've decided that before I put on my lipstick, I'd rather put my shirt on first so I don't risk getting any lipstick on my shirt. So I got this shirt from Amazon. Let me zoom you guys out. And look at how cute it is. Sanderson Sisters Brewing Co. It's so cute. I'm so excited to wear this. It's definitely going to be my spooky season shirt. So yeah, I'm going to go throw this on real quick and then we'll do the lips. Alright, so I've got my spooky season shirt on. And I want to add this little black nose ring. I think that's just gonna really throw the whole look together. So I have two lipstick options. I have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in San Juan, in the orange one. And then I have the Rimmel Stay Matte Pitch Black. Wow, that took me a long time. I don't really think that the orange matches the orange, so I definitely think I'm gonna go with the black, which is kind of what I wanted anyway, but I wasn't sure because I just got the orange lipstick. So first I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in Blackberry, and then I'm going to take the lipstick. So this is the first time I'm using this lipstick in this shade. I have had it in two other shades before, but not black, so I'm very excited. I'm hoping it's gonna build up a little bit more pigmented. Okay, so I've built it up as much as I think I'm possibly going to. I'm unsure about this lipstick. It's okay, like it doesn't seem bad. The formula is really comfortable of these Rimmel London lipsticks, and that's why I was very excited to find out they had a black one and to try it. But I don't know, I feel like it's not as pigmented as I want it to be, but I'm gonna keep testing it out throughout Spooky Month and we'll see. So yeah, now I'm gonna go do my hair, finish up my hair, and I'll be back to finish this video. Alright, so the makeup is done, my hair is done. Still unsure of this lipstick because it is like flaking as I try to add more and it keeps getting removed from right here. I'll work with it, we'll see. But as for right now, we are done with this spooky transformation. So what do you guys think of my spooky transformation? I obviously love the hair because I've had this hair color before, and my mom did trim my hair before this, so my hair is nice and healthy and thick feeling, which is great. I love the eye look. I love how it turned out. I feel like it turned out great. I, of course, love the accessory and the sweatshirt that I bought. So yeah, all of this I really like. Halloween is not my favorite holiday. It's by far not my favorite holiday. It's actually like my least favorite holiday. So I'm really trying to get in the Halloween spirit and get in the spooky vibes spirit. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up for effort. Alright, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this spooky transformation. Please make sure to like this video and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!